Hey there, beautiful yogis. My name is Grace from Grace to Yoga, and today I'm going to teach you how to meditate. So meditation has been in my life for about 4 years now. I got introduced to it when I did my yoga teacher training, and I was fortunate enough to have a really amazing teacher. I can honestly say that when I first started, I wasn't sure if I was going to stick to it, mainly because I was super fidgety and I was kind of itchy to get on with the day. However, the persistence and the practice and my perseverance has allowed me to have a consistent practice, and I can definitely say that I've seen the benefits. So the benefits include improved sleep. It allows me to focus, gives me clarity, and believe it or not, energy and focus for the day. You don't necessarily need any equipment for your meditation practice, but there are some things that can help to make your meditation a little bit easier. The first thing is going to be either a cushion or a chair. So not everybody is comfortable sitting on the floor, and this is why I recommend these two props. However, if you are comfortable sitting on the floor, go ahead and come into a Sukhasana. So Sukhasana just is a comfortable seated position and crossing down the legs. The second thing that you might benefit from in a meditation practice is room to yourself. If that's not possible, that's okay. You can literally meditate anywhere. However, a space where you can sit and be completely uninterrupted is going to really help you to focus. Thirdly, again, not necessary, but can really help and certainly helps me, is going to be a diffuser. So I have mine going on at the back there, and lavender is my essential oil of choice because it promotes feelings of calm, and that's how we want to feel in our meditation practice. And before we get started in our meditation, I just want to invite you to be patient with yourself. So most of us, we live in that fight or flight mode, which promotes feelings of stress, and the intention for a meditation practice is to find calm and to connect with the present moment. Secondly is perseverance. So it's like taking a shower. We don't just do that once, we do it daily, and then we slowly get better and better at it. And then finally, don't be so quick to judge yourself in your meditation practice. It's so easy to just dismiss it because it's super simple. And yes, it's simple, but not always easy. And often those are the things that are the most effective. Let's get started. So come down to that comfortable seated position. Make sure your spine is nice and long. Draw down the shoulders away from the ears. And then place your hands down, tops of knees, tops of thighs, and just put a soft bend into the elbows. Now close your eyes. And just start to notice the body in the room. And start to tune into the sounds, both near and far. What do you hear? And then notice your body in the room. What do you feel? Your legs on the floor. Your legs on the chair. The connection that you feel through the feet. And there's sensations on the skin. Do you feel heat? Is there a chill to the air? And then finally, what are the scents? The scent of the aroma through your diffuser, maybe the garden outside. Have something cooking in the other room. So these practices of observation They allow us to be connected to the present moment, the here and the now. Let's now bring awareness to the body. So the eyes still closed, notice your hips. In yoga, we know the hips are our emotional containers, so feelings of guilt, resentment, they live through this space. Can you soften? You relax? And then notice the belly. So here in the belly, any feelings of nervousness, feelings of anxiousness, they live in this space. Again, can you soften, relax, and start to just let go. And when we get stressed, you'll know that the shoulders, they rise up into the ears. That causes a lot of tension through the neck, through the shoulders, and it can manifest into a headache. So take some time now, soften the shoulders away from the ears, start to relax, sit a little bit taller. And then again, notice the space between the brows. So that's our third eye. The third eye is a space of trust, guidance, intuition. So if we're stressed and then that space becomes clouded, our judgment, it becomes unclear. Our intuition, it gets blocked. Soften. Relax. And then finally, our breath. Notice every inhale. Notice every exhale. Notice how the shoulders move when you breathe in. Notice how they move when you breathe out. Observe the rise and fall of the chest. Notice the movements through the belly. Then sit back and observe your thoughts. What comes to mind? Stand back away from the thoughts. Become the observer. No judgment, no fear, just an observation. Let's come back to the breath now. Now let's come back to the breath. Take an inhale, fill the lungs, expand the belly. Slight pause at the top. Let it go. Let's do that again. Feel the belly, feel the breath into the top of the spine. Nice slow breath out. I'll do that again a few more times. Fill the belly. Soften, let go. Deep inhale to fill the belly, fill the lungs, feel the breath right up into the top of the spine. And let the exhale be as long as the inhale. Last two, breathe in. And breathe it all out. And breathe in again. Let it go. And just go back to your effortless breathing. No special way of breathing. Once again, observe the thoughts without judgment. And then blink the eyes open. Cast the gaze down and just observe the way your body feels. And that's it. So very quick, very short guided meditation that you can use every single day. I'm going to give you more guided meditations in my channel. So if you like that, please hit like, make sure you subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be updated with all my videos. Thank you so much. Namaste.